For a split second, this so-called smuggler had accidentally flashed a law shield, which they could have been using to blend in with the law, but I just had to make sure that was the case before following them for any longer. Rambu, can you leave for a second? Just like head that way. Yo, you're a smuggler, right? What's the name of the guy who owns the Nautilus shop at the start of Kings River? Why does that matter? Because you're meant to be a smuggler? You should know this information. Wait, run!
Yo, what the?